Now I want to talk about Spark. So what is Spark? Apache Spark. It started life as a project in Berkeley University around 2009. But it's gone from strength to strength, and now in 2018 it's ranked as one of the most popular deployment platforms for big data analytics. So Apache Spark is huge in this area. Spark, in clean terms, is an open framework for big data distribution. So, again, sounds like Cassandra, sounds like Hadoop. It's freely available for download, and more importantly, can be tweaked by the developers right at the source code level. Now, being a framework in the truest sense, think of Spark as a toolbox that contains lots of readily available gizmos and tools to roll out your big data environment. Spark, really the big thing about Spark is very impressive when it comes to performance in terms of machine learning. It's used by banks, telcos, healthcare companies globally, and it's really used by giants such as IBM, Microsoft, Facebook, and Apple. Let's talk now about some of the technologies associated with Spark. Now, one of them is Spark Core. You're going to see this on CVs. Spark Core is the workhorse within Spark. So it's the coding engine within Spark. And it does all the heavy lifting, all the heavy work when it comes to data processing. The great thing is that the Spark Core can sit alongside Java, R, or Python. So in essence, you can blend it in with other languages as well. Spark SQL. So Spark actually comes with its own variant of SQL called Spark SQL, and this allows interaction with both structured and semi-structured data. The results, as in normal cases, are organized as structured tables and arranged in a way that allows Spark code to be able to query them. Spark streaming is one of the key selling points of Spark. Actually, when you think of Spark, the big advantage it has over the other two, like Hadoop and Cassandra, is speed. In some cases, it comes in at around 100 times faster than Hadoop. It set a world record recently by sorting through 100 terabytes of data in around 23 minutes. The previous record was held by Hadoop at 71 minutes. So this is a real breakthrough. It's a real contender. What this tremendous speed also means is that Spark, through this concept of Spark streaming engine, can analyze real-time data on the fly. So do you remember the analysis of viruses as they were taking over a community in real time? Spark will do it in much faster timescales than other technologies. It can analyze video, streaming media, indeed sensor information as well. So it could profile anything from an individual to the way crowds move through a concert stadium. This means that analysts, they don't need to wait for the data to be gathered, structured, and then create responses based on historical data. They can create applications in Spark which can catch a consumer in the middle of an activity and then be able to customize and focus a response, let's say for marketing, in real time. How cool is that? That was Spark. And that was it in terms of key tools and technologies before we dive into the roles in more detail.